welcome to The Acorn, the podcast that drops a little bit of psychoeducation so you can gain a better understanding of the therapy world and yourself. So without further ado, let's jump into our episode. Hello, and welcome to Season 2, Episode 5 of The Acorn. Today we will be talking about how to reset your vagus nerve. If you would like to know a quick way to help you to reduce stress and decrease your feelings of anxiety and nervousness, and what about a way to help you to deal with insomnia or your digestion and gut health? Or what about help you to strengthen your immune system? Well, you can work on all of these issues by resetting your vagus nerve. In our bodies, the vagus nerve is the longest nerve in the autonomic nervous system. It connects your brain to organs like your eyes, heart, lungs, and stomach. To work on the issues I just mentioned, you would then need to stimulate your vagus nerve, and you can do so with these 5 simple hacks. Number 1, you can expose yourself to cold temperatures. Splash a little bit of cold water on your face or hold a cold cloth to the back of your neck. Number 2, breathe deeply from your diaphragm and exhale long and slow. Number 3, sing a song or hum or gargle. Number 4, go outside and immerse yourself in nature and meditate on your chosen mantra, scripture, or your affirmations. Number 5, interlace your fingers and put your hands behind your head, then move your eyes to the right to that 3 o'clock position and do so for around 10 seconds or more. Then look straight ahead to rest your eyes. Finally, move your eyes to the left to the 9 o'clock position for 10 seconds or more before resting your eyes by looking straight ahead. Do this exercise as many times as needed. These very simple hacks will help your nervous system to calm down and relax. Yet, you may be wondering, how will I know that these things are working? Well, I want you to look for these signs, okay? You'll begin to yawn, or swallow, or sigh very deeply. Simply keep doing these different activities until you begin to notice these responses. The great thing is, you can use these hacks anytime you need them. However, if you want to get the very best benefit, you will need to practice these vagus nerve hacks often. Well, those were some tips on how to reset your vagus nerve. Now, as we close out this episode, I want you to remember to take a moment in your day to remind yourself to pause, breathe, hope, and heal. Take care. Well, this has been another episode of The Acorn. Remember, the content in these podcast episodes are for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer: anything said in this podcast should not be considered as treatment, professional consultation, advice, clinical instruction, or assessment, or any other mental health replacement. Listening to this podcast does not create a therapist-client relationship between you and the podcast host. Always seek the advice of your own mental health provider regarding any questions or concerns you may have about your mental health needs. Also, if you need immediate help, contact your mental health provider or call 911.